Hi, I'm Marie. This is a quick tour of my van. It's a 2004 Iveco Daily, about a year. Around 3 weeks in a car park in the French Alps. The cab's standard, apart from we've cut the middle seat out, so there's access through to the back. But other than that, it's pretty much as is. I've not changed anything. I've got lots of storage above the cab. It's probably the biggest storage space I've got, but this just holds all my clothes and my camera bag and my coat rack. I've also got a curtain here which gives me some privacy at night time. I've got a double sink here which is powered by a 12-volt switch. Underneath I have two 20-litre water tanks, one for fresh water, one for grey. The grey is attached to a ball valve which I can release out when needed, and just a bit of storage underneath. The hob is a 3-ring burner powered by refillable LPG, and it's screwed down so it can't go flying. Underneath I have a drawer which holds my plates, bowls and cutlery, with storage boxes underneath and even more storage at the back. And then underneath I have my cassette toilet, which just pulls out into the living space and then stores back nicely. Underneath here is my refillable LPG system, and this hatch is just so I can turn the bottle on and off. Above that is some more storage space, food, toiletries and just general bits and bobs. And here is my control panel which switches on my lights, and that's it. At the top here I've got a big storage space for cans, spice rack underneath, and a recent addition which holds my coffee and toothbrush and soap. And I've got two porthole windows which we've just figured out how to open from the inside, which is this little clasp thing, so I can open it from the inside and then close it and lock it. This is my full-size double bed which I sleep horizontally. It's raised, so I've got garage space underneath and a bed for Bolsky as well. To the side here I've got my monitor and my breakfast table. Underneath sits a little bit more storage, a fridge and some more storage. So this is my garage. There's a lot of storage under here. Over here is my electric centre, and I have two 130 amp hour AGM batteries with B2B and 1500 watt inverter. And to the right is more storage. Underneath here sits a Chinese diesel heater. It's been good, but it does use quite a lot of power. Other than that, it's been pretty good. Also for charging I have 200 watts of solar panel which run down into an MPPT solar controller. My favourite thing in the van is these lights. They're really nice. They're from eBay. They're only a couple of quid and they're powered by USB. That's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed my van tour and I hope to see you all soon. Dad.
Oh, you.
It's a 2004 medium wheelbase. What is it? What? I don't know what van it is. We built this car. Oh my God! We built this car.
Where do you poo?
I poo.
No, you don't need to actually. No.
Honey, don't knock me out, please. Please don't knock me out. You want to do that again?
And then
you can cut. That's the beauty of it.
But I can't cut out what you've said if I need to use it.
No, let's move this. Should I have this on display?
No.
Unicorn?
No, come on. Okay.
And carry a lot.
Carry on. Yeah, go.
Shut up! So this is the garage. You only get one chance to make it a sentence good.
Go.
Okay. So this is my garage underneath here.
Can't be arsed.
It's a chart. 3, 2, 1. And to the right is more storage underneath here.